This is a new Shrey helmet that has been ordered through Flipkart. Just have a look at. This is the inner padding. It is of good quality. Although this one is of plastic, foam material. This one is of a type of leather. It is also foam. So the quality for a lower budget helmet is also very lower. Now you size दिखाओ.
The helmet we have ordered is of size medium, as you can see on the sticker.
It is not medium. It is small.
It is small. I'm sorry.
It is a small
size helmet.
The head size, the head circumference required for a small size helmet is 54 to 57 centimeters.
Okay.
As far as me is concerned, this is a perfect fit. It is of 57. My head circumference is of 57 centimeter, and it is exactly the same fit. So if you are going to order it accordingly. Whatever the size, don't go for a medium size if you have a head circumference of 57 centimeter. Otherwise, it will be very loose.
Grill is quite strong
Grill is good one.
and fit in nicely.
These are the company, what we call tags.
It will cost you around.
The major disappointment with this helmet is like they have not provided us with the helmet bag that you can. Helmet pouch is not provided with this helmet, as it has been ordered through Flipkart, and it is not from the seller. That it is not from directly from Shrey, that is Kohli Sports Ventures. I have ordered through some other seller, so that is why I guess the reason they have not provided with the helmet pouch. The cost of this helmet is around 1150 rupees. Actual cost is 1399. The cost of the smaller one, the smaller size, is higher than the other ones. That the size M and L cost you around 950 rupees on the same site.